Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. In this video, we will learn how to create goods receipt. And what is goods receipt? That all the things we have to cover in this session. So goods receipts. Goods receipt, short that we call GR. GR. So what is goods receipt? One by one, we have to discuss some points so that this topic will clear. So it is the formal record confirming that ordered items have physically arrived at a location, or we can say warehouse. So guys, goods received, it is a formal document confirming that ordered item received. Okay, whatever item the company has ordered, that item has received in the physically, okay, in the physical location, we can say physically arrived at the location, or we can say warehouse in the organization. Very simple. Okay, so which type of information, okay, in the goods receipt we have to, so goods receipt basically it involves delivery against the purchase order, means we have to create goods receipt with the help of purchase order. So what are the things we have to see in the goods receipt? So in goods receipt, okay, we have to, first of all, we have to check our materials, our goods, our okay, whatever quantity. So here we have to check, okay, goods condition, goods, or we can say material conditions, as well as here we have to check quantity of the materials, or we can say goods, item description, whatever item that we have ordered, okay, so that item description, everything that is in proper. Okay, and finally we have to accept. So in goods receipt, we have to confirm that whatever item, okay, we have received in our location, so that item in a proper, okay, in a good conditions. So we have to ensure in goods receipt. So how we have to perform goods receipt? Okay, so we have to use T code. We will use T code, that is MIGO. The T code MIGO that is used, and with the hello, okay, we can say prerequisite. That is purchase order. So I have made here a purchase order. So this is our prerequisite. Okay. Now we have to see, go to SAP window, and here you have to type MIGO. Very simple. Press enter. Automatically system will reflect goods receipt. Okay. Purchase order. Here your user ID. Now this is the field. Here you have to enter your good purchase order number. Here you have to enter your purchase order number. Very easy. After entering purchase order, simply click on enter. This is the option, click on enter, otherwise press enter. Okay. Then you will see, okay, from backend, or from, we can say, from database, all the information, whatever we have mentioned in the purchase order, every information is extract, okay, from the database, and it is showing here. You can see it. The complete information. Okay. So after saying, and here you see, scroll down and you will see there is a section, okay? This is the section that is detail item, okay? Detailed data. So in detailed data, here you see there is a where section. You have to open this section and you have to mention the location, in which location the item has received, okay? So you have to mention the location, okay? And ensure that whatever material you have, okay, ordered that material, okay, in a proper condition, okay, proper quantity you have received. After that, you have to click on this checkbox. That is item okay. It is ensured that material is okay. Okay, everything is okay. Now, after clicking on this checkbox, you have to check is there any error or not. So system is showing document is okay. This document is very okay, good condition. Now you have to click on post. When you click on post, automatically you will see system generated a message. And this is our goods receipt message. Very simple way. This is our goods receipt message. This is our goods receipt message. Okay. So goods received number has generated. So goods received number have generated. You can also check. You can also check. Okay. Go to SAP system, open your purchase order. Open your purchase order ME21L. You will see in purchase order, system will showing that, okay, you have to open your purchase order because you have created your goods receipt against of purchase order. Okay. Here you can see open header and you will see in the status bar item has delivered, means client has accepted. Okay, customer has accepted. As well as in the item details, you will see there is an option called purchase order history. When you click on purchase order history, here you see your goods received with their quantity, price, unit, everything is showing here. You can see here. Okay. As well as you can use T code MMB. Okay, you have to use T code MMB. In stock, you will see your okay material, like how many quantity you have purchased. So here you see one quantity. So you have to use MMB T code, press enter. And here you have to enter your material and execute. In stock, you will see one quantity has added. Okay, one more quantity has added. Here lots of quantity, but you will see one more quantity. Here you see one more quantity has added. In stock, one more quantity has added. So after, okay, how many quantity you have received in a location, how many quantity have you received, it's a different quantity are exist. Okay. So this is the stock overview because a material, okay, client has received. So that is why it is stored in a stock in storage location. So it is showing in SAP system stock. So this is the way we have to create, okay, this is the way we have to create goods receipt. So goods receipt make ensure that, okay, whatever item company has ordered, that item physically they have received in their location, or we can say warehouse, in a proper condition. Okay. So guys, I hope this video is clear how to create a goods receipt. Thank you guys.